If you want to keep your hair beautiful, you need to sleep well, eat nutritious food, live a worry-free life, keep your hair clean and so on. Today we will show you how to grow long and thicken hair with henna powder. First, take 5 tablespoons henna powder in a bowl. Henna also helps reduce premature graying of hair, because it's loaded with tannins, a plant compound found in teas that contributes to their rich coloring. Henna contains vitamin E, which helps to soften hair. The natural leaves of the plant are rich in proteins and antioxidants that support hair health. Add 1 egg. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamin C and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. Add 2 lemon juice. As mentioned earlier, lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps in the production of collagen and boosts hair growth. It also stimulates hair follicles, which encourages hair growth and can aid in controlling hair loss. Mix well. Now apply this mask on hair scalp to hair length for 1 hour. After 1 hour, washes your hair with shampoo to get best result. Apply this mask 2 times in a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.